That nigga Kai freak, son. That nigga Kai freaking motherfucker, son.
Like, I'll be peeing on you. I want to have it, like, this on your mouth one time. When I'm alone in my room.
What you mean, not on your mouth? So that mean you could, they can piss on you, but not on your mouth.
Trying to stare at my wall, and in the back of my mind, I hear my conscience call.
Yo, Davis, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, Cassidy? Robotic?
Yo, Davis, and you want some bitches say yeah?
I don't necessarily know if I want bitches. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hi, so nice to meet you. David.
Good.
What's your name?
Marissa.
Marissa.
You said David?
Hmm?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
I just moved here from Cleveland, Ohio.
Okay.
I live in Atlanta now.
Mm-hmm.
I am an inspiring actress and screenwriter.
Okay.
That's pretty much about me.
She's a great singer.
Wait, what was it? Hit that? What is that? What does this rip mean?
Yo, it's that cringe shit. You react to it, but it's that cringe shit.
So you take it back like you didn't mean to back me up?
I didn't mean to do that.
Okay, well, we'll just pretend like it didn't happen then, okay?
Okay.
We'll just cut it off.
Okay.
So continue telling me about yourself.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
We'll just cut it off.
Okay.
So continue telling me about yourself.
Oh.
It was a pleasure meeting you, ma'am.
I don't want to shake your hand.
Okay. I don't want to have a conversation with you no more.
You need to grow more facial hair and get a haircut.
She don't know what the fuck going on because she's dumb. Why you smiling already for like that?
It's like hella quiet
How you doing?
Hi, Maddie. Nice,
Nice
to meet you.
I'm Kai.
Nice to meet you.
Where you from?
New Jersey, Newark.
Where? I'm from New York.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
Tri-State.
You ever been over there?
Yeah,
Really?
it's like Newark is 15 minutes away.
Like neighbors type
Yeah,
shit.
that's where we would have.
So why you in Atlanta? What made you come to Atlanta?
My acting career.
Word? You know how to act? Okay.
Something like that.
You know, I want to get into that, you know?
Yeah.
But I feel like I gotta just find the right people, know the right things to do, and like how to audition and shit like that. I really want to get into that.
Okay.
I see you got some nice tattoos.
To them and
She's obsessed with cleanliness. So I said Kai has a hoarding problem. She might, you know what I'm saying?
that ain't.
Hey, fun fact, so Consummate has a hoarding problem.
I mean, how? Come on, do I look like a nigga that? Yo, why you doing that? What the
Hold
fuck?
on.
To them and.
Shit like that. I really want to get into that.
Okay.
Find the right people, know the right things to do, and like how to audition and shit like that. I really want to get into that.
Okay.
I see you got some nice tattoos.
To them and.
She's obsessed with cleanliness. So I said Kai has a hoarding problem. She might, you know what I'm saying?
That ain't.
Hey, fun fact, so Consummate has a hoarding problem.
I mean, how? Come on, do I look like a nigga that? Yo, why you doing that? What?
What do this mean? Man, what the fuck that shit means, huh? Oh.
What the fuck, bro? You trying to sabotage a nigga? Like, that's sabotage right there.
I can't. One of my fun facts is that I'm like overly clean. Like I'm.
Me too.
obsessed
I'm
with
hygienic.
cleanliness.
I get my nails done and shit. Like, I'm really hygienic. You really believe that?
I heard dust.
Wow. So I can get your number?
I heard dust.
What if he was lying, though?
I don't think they're lying.
Yeah, all right. Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hope you enjoy your next day.
Hope you clean your dust off of your boxes and stuff.
I don't got dust in my boxes.
Okay.
Hey, on him, bro. I ain't gonna lie, on him. Word my dad. Word my. Nah, y'all.
How you doing?
Hi,
Nice to
Maddie.
meet you. My name is Vaughn.
Vaughn.
So what do you do?
I'm an actress.
Got you. I'm in construction.
Okay. Dope.
Let's cut the small talk.
Okay.
You eat ass?
Huh? Do I eat ass? Absolutely not. That's disgusting. Do you eat ass? You want somebody to eat your ass? Child, bring this light on.
Yeah.
Did you get it free?
Man, you do real life clowns,
Why
man.
you mad at me?
Real life clowns.
What's your name?
Big Jazz, the
What?
motherfucker. Big Jazz.
I can't hear you.
Big Jazz, the motherfucking flexer.
Okay, what you flexing?
Everything. What you flexing?
Nothing.
She's a proud Benz owner. That's what she flexes.
He said what?
What Benz you got?
Don't play with
What Benz you got?
AMG.
What AMG you got?
Don't worry about it. I don't.
The fuck? What you playing? Flexing V? Like,
I was going to shit first.
you don't know what Benz you got?
I was just.
Hey, why did you pass up on Jasmine?
She don't know what Benz she got. It's her first time coming to my house. Why you make that face?
Because you're not cute.
What the fuck? You not cute. Damn.
You're cute.
So I'm ugly to you?
No, just not my type.
So what's your type? You're not really my type either.
I know.
Why you say that?
Because I'm looking more masculine.
Be fucking for real.
Well, then you are.
I'm stronger than you.
You are?
Yeah.
Prove it. Let's arm wrestle.
I bet.
Bullshit.
Y'all surprised, brother? Like, come on, be real. Be real. Ain't no fucking way y'all surprised, bro. Y'all
Your
cap.
mom has made it her job.
Man, boy, all 6 of y'all cap, man. Y'all fuck, boy, y'all know that. Man,
To
stop
find
playing,
you
man.
any job.
Boy, stop fucking playing. Y'all know that was a man when that man walked in there. Stop fucking playing, bro. Stop fucking playing, bro. Y'all know that shit, bro. That's too masculine, bro. I don't fucking know what the fuck y'all, man. Come on now. Who set that shit up? Somebody set that up. Somebody did some. Come on now. Be real, brother. Y'all not surprised, bro. Y'all know exactly what the fuck was going on. Fuck y'all talking about.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm good.
What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah? Okay. Where you from?
I'm from Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. You
Yeah.
don't speak Espanol?
See.
Okay, ¿de dónde está mi negro amigo?
So like, what do you do? Like, what you into?
So I'm in college. I have a lash business. You know, I do improv on the side.
Okay.
You know, just
Okay.
stuff like
Okay.
that.
How you like your last business right now?
Right now it's been good, but I've been really focusing on my serving job.
Can we get an improv like on the spot right now?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah!
Wait. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Wait. Somebody behind you.
Who?
Yes!
No. Let's go ahead and improv. Bro.
Okay. So what do y'all want me to do? Like, give me a topic, something.
Let's do like something like something like freaky or some shit.
Oh.
Yeah, like I'm locked up in the room type shit, like, and I don't like you on some freaky shit, on some role play shit. Yeah.
Hey, babe.
What's
How
good?
you doing?
God, real life a freak, man.
What's good?
How was work?
Oh shit! Shit, work was good and shit.
Okay. You want a massage?
Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. So shit, you tryna fuck?
What? Yeah, you want to?
Okay, yo, whoever coming in next. Come on. Let's go.
Let me go. All right, go ahead. I'm at 70.
That bit Duke, that bit Duke be on go.
How you doing, man?
Oh, you gonna marry me?
I said
They live about the same age too.
South Carolina.
Paris.
They live around the
What
same
part of
age.
South
I'm
Carolina?
from Greenville.
Greenville.
Yeah. Hey, nah, don't do that yet. Let me talk. Green mean like it's a go. But I don't want
Fun
to.
fact about her, she got scammed for $70,000.
Damn! God. How the fuck do you get scammed for 70,000?
I was investing
You got
in a
pretty
business.
smile, though.
Thank you, you do too.
Yeah.
Like VVS is what Megan say.
Yeah.
A nigga with a mouthful of VVS's is my type of dude.
Do that apply?
I mean, I have never had it.
Word. Damn. Wait. Don't do me like that. Let's say that. All right. 70 bands.
I got scammed. He was a businessman. I thought
Got
he
your
was,
motherfucking
I thought
ass.
he was about it. I'm new to Atlanta, land of the scams. And I gave him 70 bands because I was supposed to be flipping my money.
You got it like that.
Not even
Had it. You had it
It's
right there.
done.
But I like you still, you know what I'm saying, got high spirits and shit, right? How is that working out though?
How is it working out?
Like, I mean, other than the fact that you got hit for 70 of them things.
I mean, I still pay my bills now.
Is that ATL made her buy a Benz?
Yeah, my
She was
Benz.
looking for someone to cover it.
I'm looking for somebody to pay the bill because I got scammed for 70 bands and I got a Benz and I work, but I take care of me. I need somebody to take care of me too.
So,
Sir, is that you?
huh?
Is that you?
What, am I gonna pay for your motherfucking bills? Oh, cause like you can,
I mean, but do you want to go to Taco Tuesday and we can talk about it?
after this, you fucking,
Is you fucking up?
Who the fuck is asking? I don't know what them VVS is gonna do. What them VVS is gonna do?
come on, man. I feel like you already know it. Like,
I don't know. Let me see.
Wrong.
Let me see some tongue work. Let me see you put your tongue out of your mouth and show me what you gonna do.
damn. But we can leave right now, like.
Let's go.
Hey, come here.
You paid for that shit. You paid for that shit. You that nigga. Hold on. That bitch is twerking? What you did? You want that bitch twerking?
How you doing?
What's your name?
My name is Timothy.
Timothy.
Timothy Plantavius III. Where you from?
DC.
DC. What's your name?
Essence.
Essence. Got a real prominent figure, like, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm scared of you.
Why you scared?
Essence, can you please do a 360?
Right here?
Yeah, right there. Damn! Is that a video?
Hell no.
It's real?
Yeah.
Can we test it?
Essence, can you please shake that shit?
Can you do like 2 jumps? Okay. Hey, you from, yeah, it's cool. Where you? So you from Atlanta?
DC.
DC. What part of DC?
Southeast.
I don't even care. Like, you here with me? Like,
Where you from?
well, I'm from New York, the Bronx.
I get
Yeah.
that.
You like that? Yeah, feisty shit. Oh, whoa, what was that? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's a fact. I like your smile. What you do for fun?
Eat.
You eat.
Yeah.
Word. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Can I leave her? Oh, we out.
Why you wanna ask me?
We out. Oh, come on. Oh, we good. Oh, come on. Oh. What's your name?
Jay.
Jay? Okay, what's going on, Jay? What's up?
Hi.
What's up? What you like to do?
I like to do everything.
Like, what's everything? You gotta list that shit out.
So I love being in front of a camera. I love to do YouTube. I love to go out. I
That's
love to
fire.
dance.
That's fire. So you're not a shy person.
I'm not a shy person. I'm
Okay.
very outgoing.
Are you an extrovert?
I'm an extrovert.
Fire.
But I know how to be introvert too, though.
Fire.
So,
Okay.
you know,
Okay, you
I'm
know.
an extrovert.
Yeah.
Fun fact about Kai, he's 5'11", standing.
You're 5'11"?
5'11".
Okay, I'm 5 foot even, so I'm like.
Word?
Yeah.
Say that real quick. Oh yeah, I could throw you in the air and leave you there. For
well,
sure ski.
Yeah.
For sure ski. What's your type of niggas?
I like sweet ones.
Can you guys stand back to back?
Oh yeah, for sure we can. Yeah. Get that motherfucker ass from behind there. See back to back, for sure. Nah, but
I like sweet ones. You know how to court a woman.
you like freaky niggas?
Yeah.
Word?
Yeah.
Like freaky? Cause I'm a freaky nigga.
Freaky.
Like I be peeing on them bitches type shit. Like, I wanna
I
piss
haven't
on
done that.
like piss on your mouth and type
Not in
shit.
my mouth. Not in
Like-
my mouth.
Okay, so like
What about eat? I like to eat ass.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we can get that.
Okay. Okay. So I mean, shit. Like, all right. So, are you into like, you know, like dark skins and shit?
Yes, I don't discriminate at all.
All right. So, like, what would you rate me for 1 through 10 type shit?
I'll give you a 9.
Word. You're sexy ass. I don't know.
What's your type?
Fun fact, Ty's been peed on 2 times.
That's a fact. I pissed on myself. Like, it was so crazy. Like I legit, like, I was trying to use the bathroom type shit, but like, I was laying down and the pee just like,
Yeah.
like, it's just weird, like, how I was trying to use the bathroom type shit.
Y'all too fucking freaky, bro. Stop playing shit.
Who is
Yeah,
that?
hating ass.
A fucking hater?
He cop blocking.
You cop blocking, bro.
Y'all go
Dang.
back to being on each other. My bad.
He cop
Like,
blocking.
if you want to pee at my mouth, just say that, nigga.
Let's begin.
That nigga Dave is a fucking hater.
I just want to say I'm not nervous enough and just, I had to
I think
run
you're
back.
rather nervous.
What?
Cause you telling me you're not nervous.
No, I had to let you know because I'm breathing mad. My name's
Damn.
Quintavious.
I'm Nikki.
Hey, Nikki.
Hi.
Where you from?
Philly.
Philly. Philly boy. Yeah. What part of Philly?
West Philly.
I got people in North Philly.
Fun fact about Nikki, she's not scared of anything.
That's cap.
Okay.
You're not scared of nothing in your life. There's nothing that you're scared of. So you're not God-fearing?
I am.
So then you scared of something?
I'm not scared of that. I fear God.
Okay.
It's a difference of being
How old are
scared.
you?
How old do I look?
Like 24.
Thank you.
How old you is?
I'll be 30 in November.
Damn! My bad.
My bad.
Yeah, you go get your old ass out there.
Hi. I'm Nikki.
Nikki,
Yeah.
where you from, Nikki?
I'm from Philly.
Philly?
Yeah. What's your name?
My name's Chris.
Chris.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Can you take your head off? I don't like to be hagfish. You okay?
I got stage 4 Machina, and
What's that?
I don't really want to get into it because it's like something, I don't know, Nick. It's like, who hit it first?
I did.
Fuck!
Yeah,
Oh my
emotional.
God.
Why are you so emotional? I can't deal with that.
Damn.
This too much.
Get a new one. That's some bullshit. Get a new one. Did I not hit that first? I'll be honest.
Apologize.
I apologize. This is my hair.
Oh,
Okay.
all right. Why would you lie like that?
Nick, I didn't know you would like. I didn't know. I thought you was gonna be like, oh,
You
your hair
made
is
up a
fucked-
disease.
Your hair is fucked up. I don't want you no more. So I was just like, hold
So you
on.
gonna lie to me if we like end up like really doing with each other?
This is the last time I'm gonna lie to you.
Don't lie to me again.
I would never do that again. I promise. I apologize. I'm not that type of nigga. Okay.
All
Alright.
right. And all that. Don't do
I
that.
apologize.
Apologize to the people.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry, my heart, my lip. You wanna start over? Okay. Thank you. I apologize about that. Nice to meet you again. For sure. So I'm from Mervyn.
Mervyn.
Yeah, that's how we talk. But yeah, I'm basically I like nature and shit. I like
me
nature.
too.
For like, do you like hikes and shit?
Like hiking, fishing, like put the worm on there, touch the fish, what is it? Hook it. Yeah.
Nikki, I really like your fucking aura.
Thank you.
Your aura is so fucking nice.
Thank you.
Like you seem so fucking peaceful. So I apologize about all that shit. That was crazy. Yes,
I wasn't feeling it.
Yeah, but I mean, like.
Are you bipolar?
A little bit, not too bipolar, just a little bit, but not, you know what I'm saying. I hope you could love me for who I am.
Okay.
Because,
I'm willing to give you a chance.
Thank you so much. Would you know what? This button shit is so stupid.
So what? Now that is.
Fun fact about him: he's an award-winning artist.
I do make music.
What kind of music?
I can sing. I can rap.
Let me hear you sing. Sing me a song.
Like, usually I don't want to be like,
It's okay.
yeah.
You can rap it. You can sing. You said rap and sing. So whatever it makes you comfortable.
Nah, I'm gonna sing to you. I'm the type of niggas like serenade. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna serenade to you. Really miss my nigga. What do you think?
Where's the rest of it?
I said, I really miss my nigga. My nigga, what you say? What you say? I really miss my nigga. I really really miss my nigga. Really miss my nigga.
People y'all just say it. Really miss my nigga.
What you miss your nigga?
What?
I'm
in the hospital bed.
in the hospital bed.
I said, nigga, are you dead? My nigga said, and I said, no.
I said, no.
Why you acting? No, go. Reach out. Somebody get it's slow mo.
It's slow mo.
No. Go red. From the singer to the background. Don't. Can y'all get him out of here, please?
Let's go. Try to get her number. Don't fuck it up. Nah, bro. Try to get her number. That ass. Like that ass. Go. Just do your thing, bro. Like, cameras is off right now, bro. Just go.
Please be normal.
Normal.
Hi,
My name's Dean. Good to meet you.
Dean. I'm Nikki.
Nikki, good to meet you.
Oh, you seem like you got strong. Good show.
All of that. You're begging for normal?
The last one was real emotional, a little bipolar, angry. He almost broke the thing.
Yeah. So what are you into?
Right now I model and I sell hair and lashes. So like in these braids you see here, but it's not like fake hair. It's like virgin hair.
So you talking entrepreneur?
Yeah.
Okay, I can appreciate that.
Fun fact about Dean, he has a mansion with a helicopter pad on top, and he loves to support his partner's businesses.
They didn't sound too sure about that.
He's just, I think he's reading off a script. I'm not sure why.
I think like, that's pretty cool or whatever, because I'm looking for somebody, but like, I have a lot to offer.
Okay.
So I want my person to have a lot to offer.
Right.
It sounds like you may have a lot to offer.
Yeah, that's the whole part of dating, getting to know each other.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
I like it here.
Okay, appreciate it.
I like to get to know you. How old are you?
27.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you?
29.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that weird?
No, but the person before the last person was like, damn. I was like,
That's so fucking
That's so
immature.
fucking rude.
I'm about to say, that's disrespectful, borderline.
and like,
Well, he said that on camera?
yes.
That's fucked up.
He had to go.
Oh,
I'll be 30 in November.
damn. My bad. Now, my bad.
Oh, that's why you packed him? I'm about to say, nah, that's personally me. I end up, I don't know why, I end up dating people usually older than me.
You sound mature.
That's probably what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to go on another date with you.
Okay, here, let me get your number. I bet, I'll
That's
send you.
my IG name too, by the way. You
Okay.
can call me Nikki or Nicole. Nicole's my real name.
Got you. All right, bless. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You good?
Nigga.
about yourself, nigga. Remember that one thing. Remember yourself. You can do that shit, nigga.
Word, nigga.
Like, I'm so tired of this shit.
I told
like,
you
mentally, you fucking me
I
up.
told you if we was gonna be in a
I should
relationship,
have aborted this baby, I swear to God. I should have aborted this baby, I swear to God.
I told
Like,
you
mentally, you fucking me
I
up.
told you if we was gonna be in a
I should
relationship,
have aborted this baby, I swear to God.